moss off this roof using soft washing and the Doff system. I'm going to start scraping it. On this roof here, and we're going to clean all the fascias and the soffits, cleaning out the gutters, giving it a general spring clean. The final results: we scraped the moss off, soft washed it, Doff Steam cleaned it, then did a post application of soft wash, so any of the organic material there is now dead. So we cleaned the gutters, cleaned the fascias, so it's had a full valley, and the windows cleaned as well. So if you want to give us a call on 0800 970 6875 or email info@premiersoftwashing.com.